is how we do it. We open yung butter. Lagyan natin sa aras ka. Hindi kaya natin ginagawa yan in your regular flight. Ito? Alin? Yung mga ganyang klase nga. Hindi kasi nahihiya ako. Ngayon pagkakato. Yan. Go. Ayan. Sige. Kasi na nakalimutan ko, kumuha ng spoon. Spoon. Lagyan na ng butter kasi. Okay naman, carry lang yan. Si Paul. Hindi ko rin kita, ayun ako. Tap the plane, Paul. Yeah. We're tapping the plane. Hello, all the way down. Hello. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Oo. Or parang kumabal. Mas makapal. Parang ako. 7J. 7J. Hoy, 3 years ago, napapanood ni Paul dati yung pagpasok ko sa plane. Ngayon, ano na? Oo, ngayon kasama ko na siya ngayon after 2 years. Hello. Take lang ako ng pictures. Hello, si Sir Francis. Here. Yan, last row kami. Yan, para pwede mangulit sa likod ng plane. Full ba yung flight?
Yes sir. Medyo full po talaga.
Sorry, hindi tayo makakailipat-lipat ng seat. Anong batch? Kabatch niya ba sila Jolly Bergola?
Hindi sir, senior po.
Senior. Ang kailan kayong ano?
Sir, this year lang po kami. Sila ma'am around sila April lang. Ako po around May.
Kasi yung head, usually ang head di ba nasa likod? Parang sa traffic daw. Sige, ikot-ikot lang kami sir.
Sige po sir.
Yeah, alright. Ngayon.
I should go in.
Sige, go.
Should go in.
He took my seat. Teka, parang na-mention ko na dati yan he took my seat.
Sa ano?
Sa Palawan vid. Ayan.
Hanapin ko yun.
Okay. Okay, this is what's happening. Dito na kami sa
Mabuhay. Welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Nag-upload na tayo ng
For your safety,
photos.
Philippine Civil Air
Bago
Regulation
mag-take.
requires that all carry-on
And,
baggage
this is what's
should be
happening.
stowed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Aisles, exits, and areas
We're using the Airbus
around the gate
A330
must be
and
clear. Electronic
Paul.
devices with radio transmittable signals must not be used in flight. Cellular phones,
And bigyan kita ng tour dito sa likod. Paul, tara sama ka.
while inside the
Ayan,
aircraft.
sama ka si Paul. Ikot-ikot tayo.
Other portable
So,
electronic
this is
devices,
where,
such as laptops,
yung galley. Uy, may
iPods,
crew meal
and handheld games must be turned off now.
So, this is the galley.
You may use these devices with a fastened seatbelt sign
Ito na
has been
prepare
turned
yung mga
off after
snacks. Kasi
takeoff.
Paul is taking pictures.
No smoking and
Lavatories at the
fastened
back.
seatbelt signs are located throughout the cabin.
So, wala na akong signal.
Smoking is strictly
Uploading pictures lang.
prohibited. Philippine Civil Air Regulation requires you to comply with the lighted signs, posted placards, and crew instructions at all times. If you are seated in an exit row, you are required to read
we're
the
expecting na
exit
full
row
yung
briefing
flight.
card and passenger
So, which
safety
means hindi
card.
kami makakalipat ng
If you wish to
stretch
be
my arms
reseated, please
para
inform
makakuha
your
na.
cabin attendants now. Thank you
Yan na,
for your
mapasok nila rate
cooperation.
yung link. Yun lang. Okay, si Paul is getting anxious. Kasi actually, he has subscribers who's waiting at the end of the plane.
At
At the end of the runway pa. Yun.
Passengers for other
And,
destinations are requested to deplane the
Ngayon
seat
umuulan nga eh.
ground
So,
for
kawawan.
Hindi ko napansin yung ticket. Forget.
Sayang. Dapat, nag-separate na siguro tayo ng seat para at least secure tayo ng window. Oh well, lesson learned. Bali. Tignan ko na. So, kanina pa tayo yung seat po. Oh, ano. So, as soon as I'm closing door, we'll just ask the cabin crew if we can get a window seat sa kabilang side. Good. Ako naman tayo ng tayo. Hindi mapakali.
Ano yung flight? Sana mabump off na lang tayo sa...
Oo, yung friends niya kasi nag-iintay doon. So, wala. Anyways, we're just waiting for the doors to close. Tapos yun na. Paul is still waiting if he can get a seat dun sa right side. So it looks like maganda sana airport.
Pero naawa ko na sa dulo, nagpapakabasa sa ulan. Yeah.
Well, hindi man natin na-expect na magiging rainy, pero yeah, well.
Sige, sa'yo. Sulang ako.
Kaya mag-drama.
Ayun na si ano.
Si Francis. Sige, ikaw. Si Francis. So, we're talking to Francis right now. And so far, very accommodating naman si Francis. Although, hindi kami makakaano na seat. Hintayin lang natin mag-close and door.
Yes, sir.
Pag patimbre na lang.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wala. Naawa ko dito. Mas naawa naman siya dun sa mga nag-iintay sa ulan. So, full flight. Hindi 40 minutes. Tulad niyo ngayon.
Wala ng aircon.
Doon na lang sa jump seat.
Sa business class na lang kami.
Take off lang, take off. Sino yung mga yung anong message mo sa kanila?
Mga plane spotters yung nandun eh. Sila yung mga kumukuha ng pictures.
Kaso ano pwede mo sabihin sa kanila ngayon hindi ka makaano ng seat?
Nawala kasi sa isip ko eh. Hindi, sabi ko kasi kung dapat ako right side window. Eh nung nag-check-in tayo, nadala sa mga usapan. Nawala sa isip ko. Bale, tingnan natin mamaya.
Meron ka nakita?
Meron po tayo nakitang vacant na windows sa
45?
side. 45K.
Okay na, close na ba ito?
Kung na-close yung door,
Hindi pa close yung door.
hindi ka angel namin. Ayan, thank you.
Wala daw na.
Paul, care of Francis, wala yan. Ayan. Pag nag-close yung door, he can give you the 45K.
Ano lang ako, sibat lang ako doon namin.
Sige. Pag nag-close, takbo ka na. Salamat ka na mga ma-PR ka, yung kasama mo.
Ma-PR ka. Ma-Philippine Airlines ka.
Oo.
Ma-PR.
Hindi tayo, yung mga, ano na, may ma-PI. So he got his seat, so may chance siya na makita yung, ano niya, yung mga friends in the plane
Para
spotters.
dual take-off din dito sa Cebu.
Yeah. Doon ako sa bundok na.
First time talaga makakasabay si Kuya Mitch ngayon eh.
Oh, dati hanggang Vancouver lang. Makakasabay din siya sa Vancouver one of these days.
Yun ang maganda, long haul flight.
Sa Toronto. That's sa Vancouver.
Toronto, hindi Toronto.
Toronto? Toronto. Oh, yeah, I stand corrected. Yeah. Read this kid. So he'll be coming up and then sabihin niya we can switch seats. There. Okay. Sige, thank you. Paul, go. Paul, go. Paul, go. Go.
Magandang
you.
hapon
Francis,
sa
thank
inyong
you.
lahat. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, buong puso po namin kayong tinatanggap
Sorry, but si Paul.
sa lipad PR 861 patungong Cebu. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is PR 861 bound, now ready to depart for Cebu.
So he's back. He's back.
Dito na ulit.
Wanted to find out na pagkalipad nyo ng seat. Wala na yun. Ano ba sabi ko? Bakit daw?
Pinahirapan niyo ako. Hindi, okay lang. Naintindihan ko. Malakas yung single na lang. Ayun, go na.
So girl na will be taking off in a while. So, good. Take off.
case kailangan nyo ng Magic Cube, just you can get it from Paul. He's the CEO of Pinoy Cube Shop. Just get it dito sa yan. It's a link. Yan. The Magic Show of what you got. Turbulence. And it's a cloudy, you know, it's gonna be a bumpy flight. So we're having a bit of turbulence here. Yeah. Anyway, we would like to say hi to our subscribers. Sila Brian Untalan, Charleston Philemon, Justin Butron, Lawrence Eisen, and Gary Ballard. Kais Medina, Pierre Bobo, Julian Patillo, Shelman Smart, PJ Malaluan. Yun, subscriber naman.
Naman nag-greet the cloud. That's what you're gonna
Yeah. Tsaka yung mga plane spotters niya na who ran away as soon as the rain was there. Yun. So medyo bumpy lang. We couldn't stand up, so dito na muna. We'll have the next set of greetings later. Yeah. Francis, wala ko na greetings ha. Ay, si Francis, ganyan siya. Multitasking. Yeah. Anyway, dito tayo sa galing ngayon. And we'd like to say hi to the subscribers sila. Carl Mansueto, Daniel Estrella, Miel Senya, Barry Codera, Mark Flores, and Carl Montilla. I'm always following me in a while. Tapos, yeah, reserving snacks din. Also, we're saying hi to Martin Gomez, Mark Calvin Go, Kian Oliver Gonzalez, Nico Rosales, and Errol Salarda, and Kenji Oda. Medyo nahihina po sila. I don't know.
Tumayo ako, nakasimpad ko pala.
Ayun. So dito kami sa galing ngayon, exactly. Hintay lang kami pila. Kasi medyo matagal yung turbulence natin kanina. So it's just at this time lang na mag-CR yung mga tao.
Mag-alaw ka na yung mga tanaw. Ano first? Yeah. CR na sila.
Okay, see you. Gotta go. Balik ka na naman ulit. He's a happier man.
Sarap ilabas.
Siya po. So, basa-basa na muna tayo ng Jaryo. Habang hindi po dyan.
Tambay-tambay lang.
Pasok. Ako, kasapan.
Just for that.
Dito kami, nag-iikot-ikot lang kami sa galing. And, yeah. Just go around. Show me around, Paul. Yeah. Maraming madadekwan. Di ba? Hindi na sabi ni Paul na parang ano daw. Parang typical slow sa cemetery.
Or yun sa mga pinag-gramation.
Oo. Yun.
Giving away,
Yun. Snaps. Sige, go. Ha?
Ang haba na ng video.
Hindi, ako kinakat ko naman kasi parang many. Kuha ka na ng product clips. Cut ko na lang.
Pero ngayon this time, parang every record na.
Yes. So, nag-reserve na sila ngayon. And meron pa tayo nag-isa pa subscribers. Yun. Anyway, back to seat na lang. Kasi kanina pa kami nakaupo. Kasi teacher na si Francis na nagsaserve ng snacks.
Wala na siguro water.
Alright. May fudgy bar. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Alright. Fudgy bar. Anong masasabi mo sa snacks?
The best snack ever.
Wala tayong cabin crew meal.
Oh, I got that.
Happy?
Wait lang.
Wait lang.
Chicken adobo sinurf sa akin.
Ha? we're here sa hotel namin and we're leaving for Manila tomorrow. This is, by the way, si Kim, si Michelle Chow. She used to be, subscriber, pero ngayon, part na rin siya ng travel videos. Siyempre, kilala ko si Kim po, palagi yung kasama sa Davao, Princess of Davao City. So they're gonna do the greetings, pero prior to that, ako muna. Hello to Brian Untalan and to the rest of the subscribers. Sila, hindi ko na maalala, medyo mental block ako ngayon eh. Michelle, ikaw, sila greet mo.
Ay, greet ko muna si Cathy Solisco, Elinor Roy, Ellie J. Liano, Keis Bedina, Nico Rosales, and Jonathan Romer of Australia.
Oh, parang artista lang, di ba? Parang nag-greet lang sa ASAP kasi Claire. Oh.
And of course, si Paul Go, Ocean Go, Daniel Westphilia, Mark Calvin Go, DJ Malaluan, and Julian Panlilio.
Oh, di ba? Ayan, so we're all here sa Davao City. Sila Mika, they went up to have their spa, ganyan. So dito muna kami sa room. Mamaya maghahabol lang kami dito na joke, loko lang yun ha, baka mamaya may galit. Hello also to her friend si Patrick. Baka sakala nanonood ko lang rin ngayon. At least I haven't met you in person, pero anyways. Anyway, so thank you very much for watching the travel vid. Bye!